Hello everyone, welcome to Savi's Palette. Today I want to share with you all a recipe for making this delicious sweet jaggery based pancakes. These are called sweet dosas and we typically make it during the Dussera or Navrathri for a Saraswathi puja. Really easy to make. Here I have taken half a cup of rice which I had soaked for about 2 hours and I'm taking that into a grinder, and to this I'm going to add 1/4 cup of fresh coconut and about 1/4 cup of water and grind this to a smooth paste. If it gets too thick, I add another 1/4 cup of water at a time. You still want the batter to be thick, so you don't want to put too much water into it. To this I add another half a cup of jaggery and about a teaspoon of cardamom powder, and now I'll grind this to mix it all together into a nice fine paste. And we take out the batter and pour it into the container like so, and see how thick the batter is. So you add just enough water to make it into a pourable consistency like this. So the batter is ready for the dosa. Here I have my trusted pan, nice and hot, and I take about half a ladle of the batter and make it into a small little pancake on the heated pan. And we're going to cook this pancake with some pure ghee, which I'm going to pour onto the sides of the pancake. You let this cook for just about 2 minutes or 3 minutes, and then let's turn it over. And now we're going to cook the other side, and our pancake is ready. And you want it to be cooked nice and brown like that. It's super easy, super delicious. Small sweet dosas were my favorite growing up when my mom used to make it during Saraswathi Habba. And I hope you all like the recipe. You get about 7 tiny pancakes with the measurement I gave. And I hope you all get to try it out. Thank you so much for watching Savi's Palette. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.